Hi, same like the last done session, I'm going to try a 3D word here. So you can try any word. I'm just going to take the name of my page. So just we will first write the word between the two lines. So as I told, you can try any word. So next thing is erase all the unwanted lines and then make it little darker. So just I'm going to erase the reference lines and make the alphabets look darker. Even if you want to try it with color sketches, you can try with color also. I'm just doing only with normal pencil. So don't draw any extra lines for 3D here. Just draw all the alphabets in double lines. Now this is done. Now the next thing is just at a distance, roughly at some distance, try to keep a small point. So I have kept a small dot here. So just a very small dot, and connect all the alphabet corners to this dot now. Just make sure that the dot is in center. So first we will connect all the bottom corners and then the top corners. So this is how it looks. So now all the bottom lines are completed. Now we will join the top corners to the same point. So now if any of the line is interfering with this alphabets, then just stop it. So here you can see, so this line comes between these two lines, so I have stopped it. So this point, it will not come straight towards this dot, so I have stopped. So same like that, I have just stopped this one. So now we have completed this drawing. So now I'm going to shade only these letters and a little bit here. So now this one is completed. So just for this 3D, I'm going to shade only at the bottom of the portion. Just only at this part I'm going to shade. So rest of them I'm going to leave as it is. I'm shading very lightly, very lightly at these parts. So don't go beyond the extra lines we have drawn. Only shade between those lines, and just with paper you can rub a little. So now I hope you can clearly see this. This is another type in representing the 3D letters. You can try any words like this. Thank you.